Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's been a while since I posted a video. Time to wrench on this thing. So today, we're going to be starting to doing some steering upgrades. So I got the tires taken off. What we're doing is we're doing the 1-ton steering upgrade. I'll show you that kit in a second. But going to measure it. Got to drill the holes on the knuckles and the pitman arm. And get our links to the right size and throw it all in. And the kit that we got is from Goliath Off-Road. Some people that made this bumper. I've already went ahead, got it powder coated silver to match the paint. This is the same silver that I have on my track bar. So it's got your big crossbar, and here's your bar that goes from the pitman arm to the knuckle. These nice Heims. Nice hardware. So I'll go ahead and get my measurements, and we will take this old kit off with the steering stabilizer, and we'll start drilling. The reamer I got, where is it? This is the 5/8 reamer I went with. It's from Drill America. Got it on Amazon. It was like 34 bucks. It's a 5/8, so this should get these holes right. This is for the knuckles and the pitman arm. So, alright, let's get cutting. Got this one off. Got the pitman arm one. At least the nut is off. I gotta hammer the stud out. This one will not come out. It's spinning, so it's not stuck inside the knuckle, but the nut is stuck on the thread. So, been soaking it a little bit, hitting it with the impact, seeing if it'll bust loose, and now I'm just letting it soak while I get ready to drill the other ones. Here's my drill bit, and we'll see if we can get this hole knocked out. So we got both of the knuckles drilled. Haven't done the pitman arm yet. So let's get this bars over here up to measurement. We'll throw them on. Alright, now when you are assembling this is going to be your short arm, this is going to be your long arm. One thing to remember is these eyelet holes are different. You're going to get two ones with larger holes, two ones with smaller holes. The reason for that is you're going to have these spacers. So these that go in, or the bigger ones, they go on your short arm. Your smaller ones, smaller diameter hole ones, are going to go on your long bar that goes from spindle to spindle. So just keep that in mind. Also, this line means it's reverse threads, goes with this nut that has that nick on it. And on the other side, you don't have that. So keep that in mind later. So, as you can see, it's all in. I played hell with the pitman arm bolt. Or sorry, drilling out the pitman arm. Yeah, I could have taken the pitman arm off. I tried. I rented a pitman arm puller and broke it. It was brand new. Snapped the teeth, little ears off that grab onto this thing. Snapped it off. Tried heating it up. Couldn't get it off. The drill bit was not eating the metal to get it out, so I just sat under here for a long time, about burned up the drill. Finally got the hole drilled. So, but now that you can see it's leaking, the power steering box is leaking from back here. If you can see that drip, it was leaking before, only leaked when I parked it with the wheels turned. It never leaked before. So now I do have to get a new power steering box, or maybe rebuild this one, but I still can't get this son of a bitch off, so we'll see what I'm gonna do next. I have no idea. Let's see, now it's leaking pretty good. So, but it's in. I don't know if these washers are supposed to be here. I'm still waiting to hear back from Goliath Off-Road. I didn't see those washers on their kit on the website. I've never seen any other steering kit with these washers on. Alright, what we got here is our new steering box. The old steering box still in there. Just use this pitman arm puller to get the pitman arm off. Had to use a breaker bar with that big black extension, pushing my jack handle. Twisted it until I thought it was going to snap. Tapped it with the hammer, and it made the loudest bang I ever heard and popped right loose. So now what we're going to do is work on taking the old box out, disconnecting the lines on the shaft from the steering wheel. We'll put this new box in, start putting it back together. Then we'll tighten up all the steering and see how it works.